धार्मिक स्थळांच्या मोडतोड प्रकरणाचो तपास लावंक पुलीस कमी पडटा असो आरोप उपसभापती मायकल लोबोन केला. गोंयांत सगळे धर्माचे लोक एकवटान रावतात आनी लोकां मदीं फूट घालूंक राज्या भायल्यान आयिल्ल्या ग्रुपाचें हें काम जावं येता अशें तो उलयला. सीएमा कडेन उलोवन गोंय पुलिसां कडेन जायना जाल्यार मुखार ही केस सीबीआय कडेन दितले अशें मायकल लोबोन मुखार सांगलां. RDX गोवा खातीर गौतम शिरोडकार.
Any sort of group who is entered Goa, who is entering Goa, and who is trying to do all these things is not right. Now, Goa police are going to Zaina. The first job when 13th or 14th when CM comes, I am going to meet him on this. If they cannot do it till then, it has to be handed over to CBI. Of course, if Goa police cannot handle, because it is not only the issue of one community. This is everybody is involved. All the religion people are scared on this.